Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make GPU run at 100% in your Windows 11 or even Windows 10. First you just go to your settings, okay, search it up, open it, and then what I want you to do under system, I want you to scroll down until you see a display, then go to graphics. Now here, what I want you to do, okay, click on graphics, and then you need to toggle these on, optimize these, so on. Make sure this one is on as well. And let's go down here to custom settings for applications. So you can just go and look for the application you use that you want to basically run at 100%. So choose the GPU preference as your graphics card. So if you have NVIDIA, choose that. If you have AMD, use that. Make sure that is chosen. If you don't have that app right here, click on add desktop app. You can browse through it and add it just like that. And what you can also do, by the way, you can go to gaming, go to game mode, and make sure game mode is on. Okay, make sure this one is toggled on. And then you can also just go ahead to your control panel and just switch from this one to large icons. And then you just go to power options. Okay, make sure the performance mode is actually on. So this one will make sure your energy consumption will be at the maximum, of course, to give you the best performance. Then just right click on your desktop, click on show more options, go to your NVIDIA control panel, and then make sure you choose your preferred graphics processor as your NVIDIA processor, whichever processor you're using, not integrated graphics or auto select. Choose the one you need, and then make sure you apply the changes every time. Make sure you apply, and then you come here, adjust image settings with preview. What you need to do is you can go and use my preference emphasizing, and you can change this to performance mode. Okay, you can also try out use the advanced 3D image settings, test both of them out, see which one works better, but make sure you apply changes. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.